So as a company, we were scaling quite a lot, and to future-proof ourselves, we really needed to become digitally mature, so we had that foundation for growth. My name is Cecilia Kroon, and I am the interim CMO at Storytel. It's a streaming audiobook and ebook service. We're in about 25 plus markets. We have more than 1 million titles across the globe. As a tech company, we thought we were also really mature in the digital arena, but in dialogue with Google, we figured out that there were some things that we could definitely improve. One of the first things that came out was our organizational setup. We knew that we needed to work on that, and also how we use the different tools, how we could become more mature in how we do digital marketing. So this was then in 2019, our CEO was on board almost from the beginning. So having buying from our CEO is important because then the whole organization can gather behind the same cause in a different way and really feel that sense of motivation. We hired performance marketing specialists for specific areas of performance marketing. We hired marketing analysts. A measurement lead to really have the focus on measurement, which was key in this transformation as well. When we did this shift, we also thought that we needed to have a central hub for how we work with MarTech and infrastructure for that. In the end, we decided to choose Google Marketing Platform to have all the different things consolidated in one spot, so the media buying and also the analytics to follow up. We're also on Google Cloud because then everything is integrated and the different systems talk with each other. Moving it to a central team actually made the strategy more clear and coherent. We've grown the subscriber base by over 100% since we started this journey. Now we're in a good spot, but we still need to continuously develop. The bar keeps on being pushed forward and we need to definitely be there all the time. So it was a long journey spanning over several years, but in the end, we are more digitally mature. We have a better foundation for growth. Definitely, we're more future-proof. I'm super happy that we did this. I'm proud and I'm happy.